Have you ever wondered, what would Earth look like without humans? Would it be better, or perhaps worse? Imagine a world without humans, where nature flourishes untouched and unencumbered by human intervention. In this video, we explore the hypothetical scenario of an Earth free from the presence of humans, and contemplate how it could be a better place for all life on the planet. Without human presence, nature would reclaim what was once taken from it. The concrete jungles of cities would transform into lush, green landscapes. Plants would thrive, cleaning the air and providing habitats for countless species. Animals would roam freely, exploring the once busy streets and finding new homes amidst nature's resurgence. Endangered species would have a chance to rebound, and the delicate balance of ecosystems would begin to heal. The absence of human activity would allow ecosystems to restore their natural balance. Forests would regenerate and expand, absorbing more carbon dioxide and combating climate change. Oceans would recover from overfishing and pollution, allowing marine life to thrive. Predator-prey relationships would be re-established, ensuring the survival of the fittest and preventing the extinction of vulnerable species. The interconnectedness of ecosystems would flourish, allowing for a greater diversity of life and a healthier planet. In a world without humans, the balance between species would be restored. Animal populations would stabilize naturally, without the need for human intervention. Competition for resources would be regulated by nature's own mechanisms, ensuring sustainable coexistence. With the absence of pollution and deforestation, the beauty of the Earth would be preserved. Majestic landscapes would captivate the eye, inspiring awe and appreciation for the wonders of our natural world. Reflecting on this hypothetical scenario allows us to acknowledge the profound impact humans have on our planet. It raises essential questions about our responsibility to protect and preserve the Earth for future generations. While it's clear that humans can and have caused harm, we also possess the power to make positive change. Through responsible environmental practices, conservation efforts, and sustainable living, we can work towards a future where we coexist harmoniously with nature. In this imaginary world without humans, nature thrives, and the Earth finds its equilibrium. Let us use this vision as inspiration to take better care of our planet, to protect the fragile ecosystems, and to ensure a sustainable future for all life on Earth.